2006, Energy has been working with Geikie Enterprises for all of our ETV projects. After researching and utilizing several unsuccessful larger suppliers, it was Geikie that understood our requirements and was most responsive to our needs. They've gone above and beyond to assess our facilities and proposed realistic and creative solutions. In replacing all of our ETV monitors in our Orlando facility, the Supplier worked many late evenings with our internal customers, accomplishing a 100% on-time project implementation schedule with a quality rating of over 95%. In a business where the margins are tight, Geikie remained collaborative and